guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking, thank you for watching, and please, if you are here, do well to like, subscribe, and then leave a comment under my video. My name is Edith, and thank you and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of two cleaning tools, a vacuum cleaner and then a scrubbing brush. I've been wanting a vacuum cleaner for the Lord knows how long, and now I bought one. Whilst I was browsing through to get a vacuum cleaner, I stumbled upon an electric scrubbing brush, which I never knew that existed. So let's go unbox it together. Oh my God, get down. I think I have to go get a scissors because there are solution tape all over like the box. So I'm gonna get a you know a scissors. Okay. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Like I'm so happy. I am so happy. I've never been this happy unboxing a package like this. It, it feels like Christmas. Okay, so this is the electric scrubbing brush. This is the electric scrubbing brush. The easy way to scrub. No bending, no hard work. Soft life. Okay, so cordless and dechargeable. So you charge it and then you use it. I don't know how many hours. I think it's up to 60 minutes per single charge. I'll come back to you. Let me go to the main thing that is the vacuum cleaner. Uh, so seriously, I thought this was going to be like plastic. Okay, so the main thing is plastic. It's not really plastic, like it's hard PU something. I don't know what that name is. I'm so happy. Black Plus Deca. I think it's an American brand. I don't know. I don't know about it. So this was in this. Is the handle. The handle. That's the handle. It's in white. I wanted it in black. I wanted it in black. But anyway, white is okay. White and gray, which is not bad. Not bad. Okay. I'm gonna try to. So it has the two-in-one cordless two-in-one cordless vacuum cleaner. So that's the two that's thick and everything. Okay. So there's the attachment. The attachment, if you want to use it for maybe the couch or the corners of places that the main vacuum cleaner head wouldn't go to, you can use this. I think you place it like this, and then yeah, you clean. It's not that heavy, which is good. It's something that is manageable that you can walk around and then use. Else, okay, so there's the manual. I have the manual here. The manual here. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Like, no more brooms. Oh, so this like a wall mount. I can mount it and then we just like it goes onto it. You mount it and then it goes onto it. That's cool. That's so cool. There's another attachment, I think. I don't know. And that's the charger. Yeah, a 3-pin charger. So I don't know how many hours I have to charge. I have to read the manual. And then once I read the manual, I know, you know, everything about it. So I'll read the manual and then I'll come back and maybe review, use it once, and then maybe review, give my thoughts on how, good the, what do we call it, Black Plus Deca vacuum cleaner. Now to let's go to the electric shaving brush. Okay. So oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cool. Like, this is so cool. This is so cool. So it has the attachments. Let me see. Mm, Not that hard, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So the first attachment. This the first attachment. Okay, there's a foam attachment too, and then there's a big attachment. Another one. I think there are about 4 attachments, different kinds of attachments. And this is the big one. That's the attachment in the box. And this is the stick that the attachment goes onto. I think it goes here. Oh, that's the charging area. That's the charging area. You charge here. That's the charger. Oh my god, this is so cool. Like it feels like the quality of it is like I'm happy I got it. I'm so happy I got it. So this is the steak. I have time to assemble it. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. And then it's not together. Oh, oh my god. I'm so happy. That is so cool. Okay, so oh, okay. Cause I'm so happy. I am so happy with this purchase. Like I am so happy with this purchase. I thought it's going to be so light, but it feels the quality feels good. Money well spent. Money well spent. So guys, that's that with the unboxing. I am so happy with my purchase. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, read the manual and then try it. That is what I'm going to do. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. please do well to leave a comment and I'll reply. I will reply. Leave a comment, subscribe, please subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.